Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add your EBT card to Kroger. While we're setting up your Snap EBT card for Kroger, did you know you can also use your Snap EBT card on Amazon for groceries and other essentials? I've included a link in the description where you can sign up and start using it right away. To start, open the website Kroger.com. Then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. A drop-down list will then appear. On the drop-down list is an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Wallet. Click on Wallet. Then you will see an option that says Add New Card. Click on Add New Card. Now, select a payment type by clicking on the drop-down list. From the list, click on EBT. Next, enter the card number. Then click on Submit. That's how you add your EBT card to Kroger. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.